Engines are the heart of any vehicle. They're what keep us moving. And when it comes to SUVs, we need something that can handle the long haul. Today, we're looking at 10 SUV engines that don't just go the distance, they practically outlive their owners. Let's get right into it. Number 10, Mitsubishi 6G75. Found in the Mitsubishi Montero or Pajero, this engine is a workhorse. With a cast iron block and aluminum heads, it's built to take a beating. Owners report hitting 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. It's not the most powerful on our list, but it's like that old tractor in the barn. It just keeps on going. The 6G75 is part of Mitsubishi's 6G engine family, known for their durability. It features a SOHC design with 24 valves, providing a good balance of performance and reliability. The engine's robust construction allows it to handle the demands of off-road driving, making it ideal for SUVs like the Montero. One of the key factors in its longevity is its relatively low-stress design. It's not pushed to extremes in terms of power output, which means less strain on internal components. Regular oil changes and basic maintenance can keep this engine running for decades. Number 9, BMW M57. Now we're talking torque. This inline-six diesel powered the X5 for years. It's got a cast iron block that could probably stop a bullet. With proper care, these engines easily cruise past 300,000 miles. It's proof that German engineering isn't just about speed, it's about longevity too. The M57 is a turbocharged diesel engine, known for its robust design and impressive torque output. It uses a common rail direct injection system, which improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions without sacrificing power. The engine's iron block provides excellent durability, especially important in a heavy SUV like the X5. One of the secrets to the M57's longevity is its overbuilt nature. BMW designed this engine to withstand the high pressures and temperatures associated with diesel combustion. The result is an engine that, when properly maintained, can outlast many of its gasoline counterparts. However, it's worth noting that diesel engines require more diligent maintenance. Regular oil changes with the correct grade of oil are crucial, as is timely replacement of the timing chain. Number 8, Chevrolet Small Block V8. If you've driven a Tahoe or Suburban from the early 2000s, you know this engine. It's part of GM's legendary LS family. Simple design, cast iron block, and enough power to tow your house. These engines regularly hit 300,000 miles and keep on ticking. It's American muscle with staying power. The 5.3-liter Vortec is a marvel of simplicity and effectiveness. Its pushrod design, with only 2 valves per cylinder, means fewer moving parts to wear out or break. The cast iron block provides excellent durability and heat dissipation, crucial for an engine that often sees heavy towing duty. One of the key features of this engine is its use of GM's active fuel management system, which can deactivate half of the cylinders under light load conditions. This not only improves fuel economy, but also reduces wear on the engine during highway cruising. The 5.3-liter Vortec's longevity is also aided by its relatively low-stress design. While it produces ample power for most SUV applications, it's not pushed to the ragged edge of performance. This means less strain on internal components and a longer overall lifespan. Number 7, Ford Modular 4.6-liter V8, Ford's workhorse. This engine powered everything from Explorers to F-150s. It's not the most powerful, but it's built like a tank. The simple SOHC design means fewer parts to break. Many of these engines are still running strong at 400,000 miles. It's the tortoise of our list. Slow and steady wins the race. The 4.6-liter Modular V8 is a testament to the benefits of evolutionary design. Ford introduced it in the early 1990s and continued to refine it over the years. The single overhead cam design strikes a balance between the simplicity of a pushrod engine and the efficiency of an overhead cam layout. One of the key factors in this engine's longevity is its under-stress nature. In most applications, it's not pushed to high power outputs, which means less wear and tear on internal components. The use of a timing chain instead of a belt also contributes to its low maintenance reputation. The engine's block is made of cast iron, providing excellent durability and heat dissipation. The aluminum heads help reduce overall weight while still offering good longevity. With regular oil changes and basic maintenance, these engines can easily surpass 300,000 miles. Number 6, Jeep 4-liter Inline 6. This is the engine that built Jeep's reputation. Found in Cherokees and Wranglers, it's as simple as they come. Pushrod design, cast iron everything. It's not fancy, but it's nearly indestructible. Jeep fans have pushed these well beyond 300,000 miles. It's the kind of engine that'll outlast the body it's in. The 4-liter Inline 6 is a legend in the world of reliable engines. Its design dates back to the American Motors Corporation, AMC era, and it's a prime example of the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" philosophy. The engine's simplicity is its greatest strength. With a cast iron block and head and a basic pushrod design, there's very little that can go wrong. This engine's longevity comes from its overbuilt nature. It was designed to handle the stresses of off-road driving, which means it's more than capable of handling day-to-day driving for hundreds of thousands of miles. The torquey nature of the inline 6 configuration also means it doesn't have to work as hard as some V6 engines to move a heavy SUV. Maintenance on the 4-liter is straightforward, with easy access to most components. Many owners report these engines running well beyond 300,000 miles with just basic care and regular oil changes. Number 5. Nissan VQ35DE/VQ40DE. Nissan's VQ engines are the unsung heroes of reliability. Found in Pathfinders and Xterras, they're smooth operators. All aluminum construction and a timing chain mean less maintenance. These engines routinely hit 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. It's Japanese engineering at its finest. The VQ series of engines represents Nissan's commitment to blending performance with reliability. These V6 engines feature an all-aluminum construction, which helps reduce overall vehicle weight and improves fuel efficiency. The use of a timing chain instead of a belt eliminates a major maintenance item and contributes to the engine's longevity. One of the key features of the VQ engines is their use of variable valve timing. This technology allows the engine to optimize performance and efficiency across a wide range of operating conditions. It also helps reduce wear on internal components by ensuring the engine is always operating at its most efficient point. The VQ engines are known for their smooth operation, a characteristic that helps reduce vibration and associated wear. Regular oil changes and basic maintenance can easily push these engines well beyond the 250,000-mile mark. Number 4. Honda J35. Honda's reputation for reliability isn't just about Civics. The J35 in the Pilot and MDX is a testament to that. Smooth as silk thanks to its SOHC VTEC system, these engines often sail past 250,000 miles with just routine maintenance. It's the kind of engine that makes you forget you're driving a big SUV. The J35 is a prime example of Honda's engineering prowess. It features an aluminum block and heads, which help reduce weight without sacrificing durability. The single overhead cam design, with Honda's famous variable valve timing and lift electronic control system, provides an excellent balance of performance and efficiency. One of the keys to the J35's longevity is its relatively low-stress design. While it provides ample power for SUV applications, it's not pushed to extremes. This means less wear and tear on internal components over time. The use of a timing belt instead of a chain is one of the few maintenance items to watch for, but with regular replacement, it's not a major concern. Honda's reputation for building engines that last is well-deserved with the J35. Many owners report their engines running smoothly well beyond 250,000 miles with just basic maintenance and regular oil changes. Number 3. Toyota 2UZ FE. Now we're getting to the heavy hitters. This V8-powered Land Cruisers and Lexus GX470s. Cast iron block, aluminum heads, it's overbuilt in the best way possible. These engines laugh at the 300,000-mile mark. It's the engine you want when reliability is more important than fuel economy. The 2UZ FE is a prime example of Toyota's philosophy of building robust, long-lasting engines. Its cast iron block provides excellent durability and heat dissipation, while the aluminum heads help keep weight down. This combination results in an engine that can handle the stresses of heavy SUV use for hundreds of thousands of miles. One of the key features of this engine is its use of Toyota's VVTi system. This technology helps optimize performance and efficiency across a wide range of operating conditions, reducing wear on internal components. The 2UZ FE is also known for its forgiving nature when it comes to maintenance. While regular oil changes and basic upkeep are important, this engine can often tolerate less than perfect maintenance better than many of its contemporaries. It's not uncommon to see these engines running strong well beyond 300,000 miles. Number 2. Toyota 1GR FE. Found in the 4Runner and FJ Cruiser, this engine is practically bulletproof. Cast iron block, aluminum head, and Toyota's VVTi system. It's a simple recipe for an engine that regularly exceeds 300,000 miles. If you're looking for an SUV that'll run forever, find one with this engine. The 1GR FE is a testament to Toyota's ability to blend modern technology with tried-and-true engineering principles. Its cast iron block provides excellent durability, particularly important in off-road capable SUVs like the 4Runner and FJ Cruiser. The aluminum heads help reduce overall weight and improve heat dissipation. This engine features Toyota's dual VVTi system, which allows for variable timing on both the intake and exhaust camshafts. This technology improves both performance and efficiency, allowing the engine to operate at its optimal point across a wide range of conditions. The result is an engine that not only lasts longer, but also maintains its performance characteristics over time. One of the key factors in the 1GRFE's longevity is its relatively under-stressed nature. While it provides ample power for most SUV applications, it's not pushed to extremes. This means less wear and tear on internal components over time. With regular maintenance, these engines often sail past the 300,000-mile mark with ease. Number 1. Lexus/Toyota 1UR-FE. At the top of our list is Toyota's crowning achievement. This V8 powers the Lexus GX460 and some Land Cruisers. All aluminum construction keeps it light, while Toyota's engineering keeps it tough. These engines don't just hit 250,000 miles. They blow past it. It's the gold standard of reliability in the SUV world. It represents the pinnacle of Toyota's V8 engine development. Its all-aluminum construction helps reduce overall vehicle weight, improving fuel efficiency without sacrificing durability. This engine features Toyota's dual VVTi system, which optimizes valve timing for both intake and exhaust camshafts, resulting in improved performance and efficiency across all operating conditions. One of the key features of this engine is its use of a direct injection system, which improves fuel atomization and allows for more precise control over the combustion process. This not only improves efficiency, but also helps reduce carbon buildup, a common issue in many modern engines. The 1UR-FE is designed with longevity in mind. It uses a timing chain instead of a belt, reducing maintenance requirements. The engine's computer systems are also designed to protect the engine from damage due to low oil pressure or overheating, further enhancing its longevity. With proper maintenance, these engines regularly exceed 250,000 miles and often keep going strong well beyond that. It's not uncommon to see 1UR-FE engines with 300,000 or even 400,000 miles still running smoothly. There you have it, 10 engines that prove not all SUVs are gas-guzzling money pits. Next time you're in the market for a used SUV, keep an eye out for these engines. They might not be the newest or the flashiest, but they're the ones that'll keep you on the road long after others have called it quits. Remember, buying an SUV with one of these engines isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in reliability. And in a world where everything seems disposable, that's worth its weight in gold.